You riding? Can you go fast? Ooh. Going round and round? Do you need to straighten out the wheel? Straighten out the wheels with the handlebars. Like this one.
Do it over here.
Come on. Ride it this way. Got it? Hey, don't kick it. Woo, there you go. Are you riding in circles? Turn the handlebars. There you go. That's how you turn. Turn them some more. There you go. Now you're straight. Now you can ride straight. Right? Well, look at you go. Look at you go. Go, Amy, go.
I can do it by myself.
You can do it by yourself. Whoa. You gonna hit the car?
Beep, 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 beep.
Well, the car isn't gonna beep beep. You have to beep beep yourself.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Let's go over here.
Okay.
Can you help me?
You push it. Push hard. Push, push, push. There you go. See? Push.
Last time.
There you go. And if you turn the wheels, you can go back in the garage. Turn the handlebars all the way.
I want to round in the circle.
You want to go in the circle? Okay.
You even hello them. I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Watch.
I can't round the circle.
There you go. See? Push, push, push. There you go. Look at you go. Go, Amy, go. Whoa, go, Amy, go.